Welcome to the sizzling world of culinary convenience. In this comprehensive review, we dive into the realm of hot plates to unearth the absolute best options that seamlessly blend functionality with efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned chef looking for an extra cooking surface or a college student navigating the challenges of dormitory living, our exploration covers a range of hot plates that cater to diverse needs. From sleek induction cooktops to robust electric burners, we've tested and analyzed the top contenders to bring you insights into their performance, durability, and overall value for money. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge to make an informed decision, ensuring that your cooking experience is not only hassle-free, but also infused with a touch of culinary finesse. But the adventure doesn't end here. We want to hear from you. Have you tried any of the hot plates we've reviewed? Do you have a favorite that didn't make the list? Share your thoughts, experiences, and kitchen triumphs in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found the review helpful, and if you want to stay updated on the latest kitchen gadget reviews and cooking tips, subscribe to our channel. Your engagement fuels our passion for bringing you the best in the world of culinary exploration. Let's cook up a storm together. In our rigorous examination of the hot plate market, Techwood emerges as a robust contender, securing an impressive third-place spot in our evaluations, showcasing its strength and reliability. The Techwood hot plate distinguishes itself through efficient heating, featuring two thermostatically controlled settings that cater conveniently to a diverse range of culinary needs, from warming sauces and scrambling eggs to grilling cheese, soups, pastas, and beyond. Its versatility extends further, functioning as an additional burner to keep dishes warm. Techwood's electric stove is a kitchen chameleon, compatible with a myriad of cookware types, including aluminum, copper, cast iron, and non-magnetic stainless steel pans. The heating process is marked by efficiency and minimal heat loss, complemented by a durable stainless steel body that withstands the rigors of frequent use. Maintenance is a breeze, requiring only a simple wipe with a clean cloth when cool. The compact and flat design of Techwood's double burners renders it a perfect fit for diverse spaces, whether in dorms, studios, RVs, workplaces, campsites, or bustling kitchens. Its small and lightweight profile facilitates easy usage in confined spaces or wherever your culinary adventures take you. With a robust 1,800 W power, Techwood accelerates cooking, housed in a modern brushed stainless steel exterior with non-slip feet for stability. Techwood's hot plate excels with efficient heating and versatile compatibility with various cookware, but its compact design might limit cooking space for larger meals. The solid stainless steel riveted handle ensures a cool and comfortable grip during cooking, emphasizing an ergonomic design that prioritizes safe transport. Notably, in contrast to induction cookers, the electric cooktop by Techwood ensures safety without emitting harmful radiation. In sum, Techwood delivers a winning combination of efficiency, adaptability, and safety, making it a compelling choice for culinary enthusiasts navigating the dynamic world of hot plates. Cusimax stands out in the hot plate market, securing a well-deserved second place, showcasing its exceptional performance in a fiercely competitive landscape. The Cusimax hot plate stands out as an ideal companion for various settings, be it in the office, camping, parties, RVs, dorms, or as an extra cooking aid in your kitchen. Its compact and lightweight design allows for easy use in tight spaces. Featuring two thermostatically controlled heat settings, this hot plate caters to diverse culinary needs, from warming sauces and scrambling eggs to grilling cheese, soups, pasta, and more. It doubles as an additional burner to keep food warm, enhancing its versatility. The powerful 1+7. 4 inches heating plate accommodates various pot and pan sizes, including aluminum, copper, cast iron, and non-magnetic stainless steel. Built with a resilient black stainless steel body, the Cusimax hot plate is designed to endure frequent use, ensuring longevity. Maintenance is a breeze. Simply wipe with a clean cloth when cool. Non-slip feet secure the unit in place, while safety features like overheat protection and an indicator light add an extra layer of reassurance. The automatic safety shutoff function, regulated by a thermostat, prevents damage or injury. Cusimax's hot plate excels with versatile compatibility, powerful heating, and durable stainless steel construction. However, its compact design may limit cooking space for larger meals. In terms of safety, the Cusimax hot plate outshines, emitting no harmful radiation compared to induction cookers. It encapsulates a harmonious blend of functionality, durability, and safety, making it a noteworthy choice for culinary enthusiasts in search of top-tier hot plate performance. Stay tuned for more. Hit subscribe for exclusive content updates. In the dynamic realm of hot plates, Elite Gourmet stands out as a pioneer, reshaping expectations with unmatched innovation and a commitment to excellence. The Elite Gourmet electric single buffet burner exemplifies quick, easy, and consistent cooking in a compact form, making it a standout in the world of portable electric hot plates. Operating at 1,000 watts, this hot plate heats up rapidly, offering a spectrum of temperatures controlled by an adjustable knob. The non-stick cast iron hot plate ensures even cooking and simplifies the cleaning process. With settings ranging from off to warm, low, medium, and high, it grants precise control over the cooking environment. The heavy-duty cast iron flat heating plate not only facilitates easy cleaning but also contributes to stable cooking. The cool touch base and non-skid rubber feet enhance safety and convenience. This hot plate is a culinary ally during holiday cooking, providing an additional heat source for entertaining or seamlessly maintaining the warmth of dishes at a buffet station. Elite Gourmet's electric single buffet burner excels with rapid 1,000-watt heating, precise temperature control, and a compact, easy-to-clean design, making it a versatile and convenient culinary companion. Elite Gourmet's electric single buffet burner epitomizes efficiency and reliability, offering a versatile solution for both everyday cooking needs and special occasions. Its blend of rapid heating, adjustable controls, and compact design makes it an indispensable asset for culinary enthusiasts seeking performance and convenience in one sleek package. In conclusion, Elite Gourmet's electric single buffet burner impresses with rapid heating, precise controls, and a compact design. Elevate your cooking experience with this versatile tool. Share your thoughts in the comments, give it a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more kitchen insights.